Hello students, now in this module we are going to see the use of some other formatting tools in MS Word. So let's open page number 65 in your book and see this video very carefully. Okay, so the first topic which is given in your book is highlighting a text. Students, whenever we read a page or a chapter in our book, we use pencil or highlighter for marking the important words so that we can remember those words and we can do a quick revision of those words in the time of exams. In the same way, MS Word also provides highlighting options for highlighting important words in a document. It's very easy. It is just like changing the font color of a word. So let's see how to highlight any word or any sentence. Suppose I want to highlight these last three words in this document. So I will select these words. Then I will move my cursor to the text highlighter color option. Then I will click on this small arrow. Then I will choose the color of the highlighter. Different types of colors are given. You can also see the preview. Then I will click on yellow color. As you can see, our text got highlighted. Let's repeat this step again. Select the text. Click on the highlighter option. Choose a color. That's it. You just highlighted your text. Next topic which is given in your book is making text bold, italic or underlined. Students, bold means making your text more darker from the rest of the document. Suppose जब मैं आप लोगों को कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट भेजती हूँ जो उसमें इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स होते हैं और हेडिंग होते हैं वो थोड़े डार्क कलर में शो होते हैं. इन योर क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑल्सो यू मस्ट हैव सीन दैट द क्वेश्चंस ऑलवेज written in more dark color as compared to the rest of the things. So how to make your text darker? For that we use bold option. Suppose I want to bold this whole line. I will select this line and click on the bold option. As you can see, this whole line is now darker from rest of the words in your document. These are the three options: bold, italic and underline. Italics make your writing more stylish. Let's use italic option in this second line of the document. Select this line and click on I button. As you can see, the difference between the writing of these two lines, this one and this one. Italics make your writing more stylish. It tilted your writing towards the right side. Okay. Next is underline. As you can see, I underlined this heading in Word. How did I do this? I used underline option. Whenever, एक चीज आप लोग ध्यान रखना, जब भी आप डॉक्यूमेंट में कोई चीज एडिट कर रहे हो और आपको देखना है उस एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड या सेंटेंस में आपने कौन कौन सी चीज यूज की है, आप जैसे ही उसके ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे वो शो करने लगेगा. जैसे मैंने इस पहली हेडिंग में बोल्ड, इटैलिक और अंडरलाइन तीनों यूज किया है, तो इसीलिए बोल्ड, इटैलिक और अंडरलाइन तीनों ब्लू कलर का दिख रहा है. Let's select it and remove underline. Okay. Now you can see the difference. You can choose different underline option from here, from this arrow. Okay, these are the different underline options available in Word. Okay, so I hope you must have understand the use of these three buttons: bold, italic and underline. Shortcut key for bold is Ctrl plus B, italic Ctrl plus I, underline Ctrl plus U. Our next topic is change text case. Changing text case, which is given in page number 66 in your book. Changing text case means making your whole text in either capital letter or small letter. The settings of or the arrangement of capital and small letters are come under changing text commands. Okay, so there are different types of changing case options given in your book. See page number 67. First is sentence case, then lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word and total case. Students, suppose आपने कोई डॉक्यूमेंट टाइप कर लिया स्मॉल लेटर्स में जो कि आपको कैपिटल लेटर में करना था. सो हाउ विल यू चेंज? क्या आप दोबारा डिलीट करके लिखोगे पूरी मेहनत दोबारा करोगे? नो, वी विल डू स्मार्ट वर्क. वी विल यूज चेंज केस कमांड. सपोज आई वांट टू चेंज दिस पैराग्राफ इन लोअर केस, मतलब पूरे पैराग्राफ को मुझे स्मॉल लेटर में लिखना है, तो हम चेंज केस कमांड यूज करेंगे. लेट्स एक्सप्लोर ऑल द 5 ऑप्शंस इन चेंज केस कमांड. फर्स्ट इज सेंटेंस केस. दिस इज द चेंज केस कमांड. This one, we will click on this arrow. First is sentence case. This is the normal case which we follow when we write anything in our copy. That means the first word of each line will be in capital. Let's click on this. As you can see, there is no changes because हमने already sentence case में ही लिखा था. Next is lower case. It will make the whole paragraph in small letters. ओके, ये पूरे पैराग्राफ को स्मॉल लेटर्स में कर देगा. आफ्टर दैट वी विल यूज अपर केस. अपर केस मीन्स कैपिटल लेटर. इट विल कन्वर्ट द होल डॉक्यूमेंट इन कैपिटल लेटर. आप देख रहे होंगे कि सारे वर्ड्स कैपिटल लेटर में हैं अब. नेक्स्ट इज कैपिटलाइज ईच वर्ड. इट विल मेक the first letter of each word in capital, like this. As you can see, the first letter of each and every word is in capital. Okay. Last one is total case, which is just opposite of sentence case. It will make the first word of each line, first letter of each line in small letter and the rest of the word will be in capital, like this. आप देख रहे होंगे word में W small है, ORD capital है, processing में P small है और बाकी की spelling capital letter में दी है. ये opposite है आपके sentence case का. Let's convert our paragraph and sentence case again. So these are some options given, formatting options given in your book. See these very carefully and practice this in your mobile as well as in your computer also. Complete your homework, students. Rest of the options we will discuss in the next class. Okay? Take care of yourself and bye bye.